Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I got John to do another video with us.
Well, of course, it's snacks.
It's snacks, so it was an easy one.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm
about to say a phrase that will either make you very excited or probably stress you, but I'm starting on best subscription boxes for back to school. That's crazy, right?
That's very specific.
Do you realize that school starts in less than a month?
Oh, I'm actually kind of looking forward to it.
You're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
He's looking over at the calendar. He's like, where is it marked?
Yeah.
I'm mixed emotions. I love them being here, but I also feel like they get really bored staring at me, and I get really sick of them. Is that a bad phrase?
No, I think they're absolutely awesome.
Yeah.
But they're also really awesome
I get
at
sick
school.
of them staring at me. That's the way I should say it. They're awesome at school as well. So in working towards back to school, there are so many things we have to do, and we are doing Easy Route this year. We have committed to making this a stress-free. So I ordered all their school supplies online. In one box, it shipped, dropped at the door. Snacks, we're doing Smartbox Snacks. The reason we're doing Smartbox Snacks is because it is a pain in the booty to run around and find healthy snacks for our kiddos. I went today and I was like, one more time, I'm gonna try to go into H-E-B and recreate this, or at least get halfway. I couldn't even get a fourth of the way to this, so then I added on Costco and still couldn't get to a fourth of the way of building this out. So if you are like me and you're like, yes, path to least resistance, healthy snacks, let's go, you're gonna love this. Smartbox Snacks is a snack subscription. You can buy one-time boxes. You can buy subscribe and save. I feel like they started as a subscription box, but they've grown into a subscribe and save plus online shop. So they're a lot more diverse now. We've been doing their boxes for
But that's because we've always been
years.
looking for very specific kind of snacks.
Well, they do only healthy, all natural snacks. This is the gluten-free box. They have a family box, a celebrate box. They do corporate boxes. They have a whole Smartbox for business plan, which is really cool. Everything is linked right down below. So the description on this video is all about this box. Every detail you want to know is down there. So slide down and check it out if you have further questions. But you can use code PINK to get 10% off your order if you want to give them a try. And I mean, this is a part of, they're also launching their, what do they call it? Oh, I didn't write it down. They have a whole back to school campaign they're doing. So right now, Smartbox is giving away a year's worth of snacks for back to school, 1 box a month. I have the link below if y'all want to go enter that giveaway because it's amazing. But I'm also giving away a Smartbox box. So if you want to get a box, we're going to give away a family box because that's the most universal, which is just slightly different from what you're going to see here, but it is one of their most popular boxes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then tell us what you are excited about for back to school. I want to hear some back to school excitement. It's going to be a long road to get to there. This is the fun part.
I know.
Trying on uniforms is not the fun part.
I'm like, I love Made Good. They have some of the best. Actually, the first time we've ever had it was from Smartbox.
Smartbox is what got us hooked on Made Good. But it is super hard to find it.
It is.
And so we just rely on Smartbox to get it because it pops in and out of Costco very spotty.
Pure gluten-free oats.
Oh, yeah. Pirate's Booty is great. Love this. This is an easier one to find. This box here, let me tell you the price of this box here. So this is a gluten-free box, obviously. It is $35.99. We'll count the snacks, divide it to see how much we're paying per box. So look, more Made Good.
Oh, yeah.
What do you have?
This is really weird. It's Chasing Dreams Farm Crunchy Tiny Pops. The weird thing about it is it says gluten-free, which is great, but then it says corn-free. How do you have corn-free popcorn?
What is it made with?
Wholesome ancient grains plus lovably classic flavors made the tiny pops. So it's like, it's sorghum. So it's an ancient grain that they pop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
But I've just never thought about them being able to pop anything else.
Well, I want to try this.
Do it. So I've got a Made Good crispy square, a Made Good chocolate chip square. These are such great staples to have around the house.
Oh, they're so small.
Oh, see? Oh my gosh, they do look like little baby
so
popcorns. How cute.
Little bitty,
they just look like baby popcorns.
Grains and
oh my gosh. Those are good. They kind of taste like cocoa Cocoa Pebbles. The cereal.
Cocoa Pebbles.
Yeah.
There's no chocolate.
I'm just telling you what I'm tasting. They look like little mini struck popcorns. Those are good.
Yeah, they're a little bit coarse.
I didn't even know you could pop an ancient
Sweet
grain.
and salty. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sweet and salty.
I think because they're air popped and they're so light. That's what, you know, that
They're
cereal
so light.
is like air popped. It's so light when you eat it.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We've got honey stinger waffles in
Oh, I love
salted
those.
caramel. You've had these?
Wait, there's no way those are gluten-free.
No, they do. It's just big giant words like gluten-free, gluten-free, gluten-free.
Oh, that's so exciting. A thin layer of organic honey filling sandwiched between two thin waffles. Best consumed before or during activity. Oh, it's so it's
a
like
gluten-free flour blend. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Sweeten the burn. Okay.
There are two kind of bars. These are always good. So this is another one. These are great. I can rarely get them at HEB, and they're super spotty at Costco.
Good kind? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's so hard. Kind bars.
Kind bars.
These are great. My kids don't typically eat these as snacks. I love these, though. I use these on my charcuterie, and I love to put these on top of salad. So this is one that Mom always steals.
Well, they're made good granola.
Yeah, we've got a lot of made good. So with this box, from a mom perspective, let me share this with you guys. My kids, I brought it in here. Bring in the snack bin. This is what we use currently for the snack bin. It is this bin that has since lost a handle. It's always stacked like this, and it's always a mess. Like literally whatever is on top of this gets eaten. Everything at the bottom goes to die. And I have not been able to figure out how to make it where it stacks like this so that you can honestly see the food. And so the box alone is a huge, huge, huge sales point for me. Because you just tear the lid off right here and you stick it on the shelf and you're done. Which is also why it's great for like corporate American businesses. You can put that in the break room and it's really nice. It's diverse. So I will go and try not to like spend every penny we make buying a box of those from Costco. We buy these at Costco. We buy these at Costco. We buy this at Costco. But in this too, this is a staple. But I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Costco boxes full of individual snacks, and then it's too much. So then typically we're like, okay, pick 2 or 3 girls. So then they pick 2 or 3, then they're sick of the same snacks on repeat.
Once you get through half of the box, it's like,
it's just like, I don't want any more. And so you break up the monotony. You break up the repeat whenever you do this guy because you're getting the same thing like you would get at a Costco, except for they've mixed and matched it for you. And they introduce you to new things that you can discover if you like or not without buying.
Which is also very much like Costco.
Yeah. Oh, except they make you buy $100 worth of it, and you're like, oh my gosh, it's all stuck in my house. So we got more made good there. What else do we have?
Ultima Replenisher Electrolyte Hydration Mix. Ooh,
oh, we love those.
These things are so stinking good.
We
I love these.
drink drinks all day long. So anything like that that can come in that'll get us away from a soda or coffee is great.
Sorted flavors, so it's like a little sample pack of them. Very cool.
Favalicious wasabi and ginger beans.
Oh my gosh, I have to try this.
That's so you.
I have to try this right now.
This
Wasabi
is
and ginger.
premium crunchy corn love corn in sea salt. It does say it does good for a crunchy topper. I was thinking these would be good on a salad.
A fava bean? I have never seen one of these
That bag
before.
reseals. That's
Look
nice.
how weird of a bean that is. Look at that.
What is a weird
Isn't that
bean?
crazy?
They said they also have a chili and lime and salt and vinegar flavor.
Oh, that's flavor. Wow.
It's wasabi.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want
wasabi
one.
and ginger.
I don't want one.
It's so good.
You would like that. That's so you.
I've never heard of a fava bean.
I've never seen one. This is another staple around here that we love. But once again, it goes into that like crazy Costco pile. Look at these bags of chips. This is an appetizing corn puff, and this is a kettle-cooked crab boil chip. We love kettle-cooked chips. We do consume a lot of those. We did before we were gluten-free. So that's a couple new things for us to try. This is probably the most random item we've received because they do always send snacks. Like, always send snacks. And this is like food. This is spaghetti. Sustainable, low-carb, gluten-free, natural heaven spaghetti noodles. I am not gonna lie, I am very stoked about that because
Yeah.
you and I were just discussing that we're so sick of those dehydrated noodles and where to go next. This is made with hearts of palm. I wonder what the texture's like. Has anybody tried these before? Tell us what you think on these.
That's really cool.
That is really cool. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then there are, I'll count this as just one item, 23, but there's like 5 of them in here, I think. So I got 23 snack items in this box, and I paid $35.99. $35.99 divided by 23 is $1.56 per snack item. You guys, that is a crazy good rate. So like I said, I can easily get these. That's not true. Not the popcorn. These for about $1 a bag. These cost me closer to $1.80 a bag. These all run, depending on how much of a bulk I can get them, at about $1.50 to $2 a bar. These are about $1.50 to $2. So far, this box saves me time. It saves me money. It gives me variety. I don't know. I'm a huge fan.
$4 or $5.
That is definitely $4 or $5. Like,
But, gluten-free noodles are so expensive.
they're so expensive. Okay, yeah. These on Amazon are $6.98. So there you go. So I know, let me pop over here. So this is the gluten-free. They have the family box, which is the type of box I'm going to give away. The celebration box, which is more fun and sweet items. The fitness box, I think that's self-explanatory. The surprise me box, we have done that one a few times because it gives a big mix.
Yeah, crazy stuff.
And Paige is not gluten-free, so it gives her some other options. There's a vegan box, a keto box, and then now what is new to me that I mean since I've been a subscriber is they have the online shop. So you can go to their website and click shop, and then you can order individual items, almost like build your own. So I don't know much about that. I haven't tried it. If you have tried it, please comment below and be like, yes, the online shop there is great. And I've tried these different items, and they have kids, keto, vegan, gluten-free, fitness, wellness, snack boxes, snack collections, sale items, and more on the shop. So let us know.
Very cool.
Very, very cool. Okay, you guys, I know it's crazy to say, but I'm going to try to find a few more. I'm not going to overly focus, but I'm going to try to find a few more boxes that alleviate stress off my plate for back to school and once school has started. And as I find them and approve them, I'm going to share them on here. So make sure that you do subscribe, even if you're not entering the giveaway, so you don't miss that. Hit the bell for notifications if you want to know when I am posting. And if you want to get into like the nitty gritty, it's not drama, but we do talk in detail about subscription boxes. Join our Facebook group. You can ask questions, get recommendations, and more over there. Okay. We need to let them go so you can eat your snack.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm real busy.
I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing July. And if you subscribed, we're going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.